Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a printer to your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up our clock in the far right corner of our system shelf. So go ahead and just left click on that. And then you want to go select the setting icon. So go ahead and just select that. It should be in the form of a little gear. So go ahead and select that. You want to scroll down all the way on this page to the bottom and then select Advanced. Scroll down again underneath Printing and then select Printers. Go ahead and select that. And now at this point, you can go ahead and select where it says Add a Printer. Go ahead and select this little plus button where it says Add Printer that corresponds to it. Go ahead and select that. And now at this point, you enter in your name of the printer as well as the printer address, what protocol it is using, as well as the queue. So probably the last two you're not going to have to change, but the first two you definitely will need to. And then you can also select print server here. If you have a print server address, you could just type that in instead. So pretty straightforward process, guys, how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.